In this video, we will show you how to build pivot charts by using plain English sentences. So this is how you typically do it in Excel. We pick the cell that we are interested in, go into pivot table. We select the columns that we are interested in the pivot fields. Then we select the data and then we say insert a bar chart. And similarly, we also say insert pie chart. So this is how you typically build these charts from a pivot table in Excel. In BridgeMe, to do the same thing, we open the chat window, we start a new conversation, and then we just simply ask the question in English. How much did each area manager earn? And we get the data back in the table format. Here is the same data available in the bar chart and in the pie chart. But wait, there is one more thing. You can ask the same questions on your mobile phone. So you ask the same question and get the data back. You can make the data full screen and then look at the charts, bar chart, make it full screen, and same thing with the pie chart. Never opening the Excel file. Pretty easy.